Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a business account for Best Buy from your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open your app store and search for Best Buy if you haven't already, and download and install this application right over here. And once you've done that, click on open. Now, all you need to do is give it a bit a second and it will tell you to create a account. Click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to be taken to this window where on the top right there's going to be shopping for your business. Create a business account. Simply tap on that and you'll be taken to another page right over here, and you can simply go ahead and click on create a separate business account. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.